It's time for another episode of the Verb of the Day with simple and easy Arabic.
Sell. Sell as an imperative masculine. بيع. بيع.
How do we conjugate the verb in the simple present?
أنا ببيع. أنت بتبيع. أنتي بتبيعي. أنتو بتبيعوا. نحن منبيع. هو بيبيع. هي بتبيع. هنن بيبيعوا.
Let's see how we conjugate the verb in the simple past.
أنا بعت. أنت بعت. أنتي بعتي. أنتو بعتوا. نحن بعنا. هو باع. هي باعت. هنن باعوا.
Let's put them in sentences. He is the one that sold me his stuff.
هو يلي باعني هالغراض.
She sold her house and relocated since a while.
هي باعت بيتها وانتقلت من فترة.
Ask him if he wants to sell his phone.
اسأله إذا بده يبيع موبايله.
Become a Patreon to get access to much more study material. Check it out now! Did you enjoy this video? You can support us by liking and subscribing. Thanks!